Good job, Mima. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
Daddy to catch me now.
You're
Okay,
diving.
Daddy's gonna do it now.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy, you're in charge of her.
Watch this. Okay, try it.
Yay!
A really good swim teacher.
You guys are really good swim teachers, is that what you said?
I don't know.
You're a really good swimmer.
Watch this. Boo boo, this is another good one.
Yay!